Speaker sir, I rise to speak on the cut motions and oppose the demands. Speaker sir, पावराचे आनी नॉन कन्व्हेन्शनलाचेर हांव उलोवपाक उबो रावलां आनी म्हाका दिसता देर इज अ सेयिंग की पॉलिटिक्स इज एन आर्ट ऑफ द पॉसिबल. हें ऑटो वेन बिस्मार्कान म्हणलां. म्हाका दिसता आज एक पावरफूल पावर मिनिस्टर आहा. जेन्ना पावरफूल आहा तो पावरांत म्हाका दिसता आसपाक हांव भुरगेपणांतल्यान चोयता ताका. सदांच खंयचो सरकार येवं सुदीन धावलीकर पावरांक आसता. आनीक द स्पेशलिटी विथ हीम इज ही नोज हाव टू एक्झीट आउट ऑल्सो एट द रायट टायम. सो टू बी इन पावर एंड टू एक्झीट आउट आय थिंक आमकां जायते म्हाका दिसता सुदीन धावलीकर हॅज अ वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स आयडिया अबाउट इट. स्पीकर सर, तो हो हाय वोल्टेजाचो शॉक रुलिंगाकूय दिवपाक शकता, ऑपोजिशनाकूय दिवपाक शकता. सद्या शिमेर आहा, पूण म्हाका दिसता की लुकींग एट हीज पॉलिटिकल जर्नी इज आय कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट him for that because that is his art. Nevertheless, I believe that the power department, several Goans feel that the power department and Goans are powerless with regards to the electricity supply. Because sir, आज electricity supply is basically an issue that every household, industries out, technologies out, educational activities out, residents, everyone needs it. This is the need of the hour and it's the most important department. आज जेन्ना तुमचे budgetary allocation is almost about 4,000 crores for the infrastructure in the state. पूण स्पीकर सर, हुई ना हुई म्हाका दिसता जेन्ना इलेक्शन दक्षिण गोंयचे लोकसभाचे आनी उत्तर गोंयचे जे पार्लिमेंटरी इलेक्शन जाले त्या वेळार ह्या सरकारान एक प्रयत्न केलो की कॉमन मॅनाचो हे बॅकबोन हिट करपाक, जेन्ना हांव म्हणटा हिट करपाक, वेटूय वाडयलें आनी पावर हायकूय केलो इमिजिएटली आफ्टर द इलेक्शन रिजल्ट. आनीक जे रिवायज टॅरिफ केलें स्पीकर सर, डॉमेस्टीक नॉन कमर्शियल आनी हांकां हे कन्झ्युमरांक जे 0 to 100 units was increased from 1.75 to 1.90 per unit. LT domestic who paid 1.75 per unit by using up to 100 units, Enka saw a hike of 1.88, but finally settled by jerk to be 1.90. आणि साधारण 3.5% स्पीकर सर हे हाईक was increased. Although the department had made a profit, जेन्ना म्हाका दिसता हे जकाचे जेन्ना एक मीटिंग जाली ऑब्जेक्शन फायल करपाक, वी वर देर, आवर पार्टी वॉज देर, आवर MLAs वर देर, वी रिप्रेझेंटेड दॅट दीस हॅज टू बी स्टॉप्ड. पण हुई ना हुई म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर सर, दीस ग्रेट पावर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल हुई ना हुई कॉमन मॅनाक आज you have put misery to the household of these household consumers.
Speaker sir, under Rule 16 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business, I would like to move a motion to extend the duration of sitting of House by 1 hour.
Sitting of the House extended by 1 hour. Those in favor may say aye.
Aye.
Those against may say no. Ayes have it, ayes have it. Duration of sitting of the House extended by 1 hour.
Because sir, Honorable Minister should understand that the consumers today should not pay for the inefficiency of the power department. हांव कित्याक सांगता? Because जे huge losses पडे हा power theft and power pilferage, गेले ते विधानसभेन आमी मांडलोले आनीक थोडे आमकां एक्सक्यूज दिले, सब जुडिस मॅटर आहा, but if you look, I have got the exact figures. Huई na hui, the department has failed, and I believe you have to use technology to plug these losses. Because jenna your reason to me dile ki jerk has they recommended it. 2020 जग can recommend केलं, but the government absorbed these losses. So it is basically very, very clear जे power dues जावं errors of the department जावं corporate जे power guzzler आहे, actual power guzzlers and industries हुई ना हुई तुम्ही fail झालेले आहे. Power theft is another very, very important issue. And म्हाका दिसता this cannot happen without engineers being together. Tugelo jo chief engineer ha, he is one of the most efficient Goan officers. And he also has a vision. And I believe that with your experience and his expertise, there's a lot that can be done in Goa. And I believe he is very helpful to everyone. आणि आज गोंयकार म्हणून ताका एक विजन जे आहा तुगेलें विजन जरी तो ते सारकें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता हुंय ना हुंय ही सुविधा इम्प्रोवायज करपाक तुमी मुखार सरपाक जाय. स्पीकर सर, द इम्पॉर्टंट पॉयंट इज जेन्ना डिपार्टमेंटाचे irresponsibly in working towards getting these errors and whatever I believe जे accountability हुई ना हुई fail झालेली हा with the department, and if they continue, if you are continually, because it is a department mistake, continue जर केल्यार हे officer will not improve. Because hinterland tourismaचे जेन्ना उलयतना आमी tourismaचे जे गोवा beyond beaches मुजो concept हा सरकाराचो, today hinterland tourism there is absolutely a lot of power fluctuations. हिंगा सांगेचो आमदार आहा जेन्ना सांगेच्या गांवांत I think a lot of the locals they were irritated. चोयल्यार तुगेल्या भागांत म्हाका दिसता फ्लक्च्युएशनाची प्रॉब्लम आहा, a lot of surges, transformers are overloaded. I believe that there is an erratic power supply, and this because of हुई ना हुई म्हाका दिसता मंत्रीन हें चेंज करपाक जाय. अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग करपाचो प्रयत्न आहा, दुबावना बरो आहा, बट टायम बाउंड मॅनरान जावपाक जाय. आनी टायम बाउंड मॅनरान जे रस्त्याचो जो आतां मोठो प्रश्न म्हणटाय तो रस्त्याचो जेन्ना प्रश्न आमी उलयताय आतां कुंकोळचे मुगे एक एग्जाम्पल दिता. फ्रॉम कुंकोलीम सगळे जाग्यार गेला, फातोर्डा गेला, मडगांव गेला, बाळ्ळी गेला, शेल्डें गेला, थिंगच्यान जो रस्तो पॉट फोंडिला almost 4-5 crores rost kelle. Just 1 year back. No proper planning. Absolutely no permissions taken from PWD. Akke fond tu inauguration ayillo tu mul lokan passes kadpa. Yeshko passes kadenge kon gelo, kona ezal itle sarke bad thing. No coordination. So the department, I believe, I also tried to coordinate with the department, electricity, WRD, PWD. But haphazardly हे काम बेगी करपा जाय म्हणून केला. सगळे चोयल्या सगळे फोंड पयले व्हड दिसताले, आतां सारके बायेंचे भाशे फोंड दिसताय. एंड इट वॉज सो डेंजरस, एंड आय थिंक इट इज लायक एन क्रिमिनल ऑफेन्स. आनी दीस जे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आहाय हू हॅव लेफ्ट दीस पॉट होल्स, इंजेर FIR फायर करपा जाय तुमी. आय ब्रॉट इट टू द नोटीस ऑफ द चीफ इंजिनियर. आनी ताबडतोब थिंगा तें स्वेलिंग आनी कितें हें करपा तें प्रोसेस स्टार्ट जालो. बट दीस इज बॅड. उदो जेन्ना येयलें, no one could understand. हांव तुका कित्याक सांगता, this is a very, you also been PWD minister, you understand. Today roads that were tarred are taken out. मुगेलें एक विनंती की हे रस्त्याचें reinstatement कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान करपाक जाय. Whatever is in his scope, and ताबडतोब PWD should act. Otherwise, हुई ना हुई, this is a very, it's almost like a criminal offense. Because जेन्ना आमी प्रश्न घायल्लो की about the dues to be received from the various departments, and your dues today are about 539 crores. As of today, 539 crores. This is what the answer you have given. आता तूं normally जोरी तर कोण कॉमन मॅनान जोरी तर हारी केलना तुगेले मनीस पयले टेम्पररी डिस्कनेक्शन काटाय, तेज नंतर 15 दीस हाडल्यार तुमी परमनंटली हें डिस्कनेक्ट कोताय, नॉर्मल सादा आम आदमी. तेज नंतर तुमी रिकवर करपाक लँड रेव्हेन्यू कोडा अंडर हें रिकवर करपाक सोदताय. आनी म्हाका दिसता हुंय ना हुंय हो प्रोसेस तुमगे जाता. आतां तुगेलो रिप्लाय वेन वॉट यू गिवन टू मी, यू हॅव सेड इन लास्ट 5 years की 30,100 डोमेस्टीक कनेक्शन्स हॅव बीन डिस्कनेक्टेड. दुसरें स्पीकर सर, 13,800 कमर्शियल कनेक्शन्स आनी 506 इंडस्ट्रियल कनेक्शन्स. And if I look at the figures of that 539 crores, what is shocking to see is commercialized only 93. Aam Aadmi ke liye 93 crores. Industries 213 crores. And the worst, Speaker sir, is government agele 232 crores. And major is PWD. Have you sent notices to PWD? Have you sent notices of disconnection to them? Why are they not paying, and why should people suffer when government itself is not paying? आता तुम्ही पडये 3.5% वाढ केल्या, your income will be about 85-86 crores is what you expect. You have made a profit. But why, when the department itself has to pay 232 crores, out of which I believe PWD itself is 200 crores, why have you not sent disconnection notices for them? Normal muncha, common mena tum data hai. So this is something I believe that you should practice what you preach. Please send them notices. Disconnect kor. Why common man is not have to pay for fault of the department? Speaker sir.
One minute. Speaker sir, Ashwajan Nasta, त्या आम्ही books of account adjustment करता. And we have already moved to the finance department.
Nasi, your reply says 200 crores have book of adjustment. Kon find nothing. Yeah. Your department you want to run. If you are going to do all adjustments and understandings, then why you should put the burden on the common man?
No, you are asking about notices. Notices
No, I am asking when you give me a confirmation, when will you recover this money? Yeah, took 200 crores, 230 crores is equivalent to 3 years income of this 3.5% hike. Speaker sir, maga dista ki you all have failed to recover this such huge amount from industries as well. जे power guzzlers आहे, they by common consumers, you have absolutely failed. आणि common manaचे हो बारकित्या की म्हाका दिसता जेन्ना आज इतलें सगळें वाडलां कोविडा नंतर we have just started to pick up. हुई ना हुई, this is unjustifiable. आता I believe that you should reclassify in your department. आणि tourism minister is not here. I feel, honorable minister, जे tourism departmentan जे bed and breakfast जावं homestay एमी जो concept केला सगळे भायले second, third, fourth flat have been put for rent. They are doing commercial operations and using domestic connection. You will get crores of rupees of income. There is as per the policy, Speaker sir, the NOC has to be taken from you, but they are doing it on the tourism department NOC itself. You please ask for a list and please give me an answer. Please ask for a list from the tourism department of all these users. They have Goinkara policy a bed and breakfast for domestic. Thanks so. Dusre hai tenga list mark and dad notice. To get munsha dad, chifa sang dad, falya dad. You will get crores of rupees of income. Speaker sir, zo proper quality aspects hai power acho, the whole industry is basically complaining. Ki a lot of organizations, they have approached us also, Verna Industrial Estate and whatever, doing सुविधा start केल्या, but power shutdown पड जाता. That power shutdown हुई ना हुई quality power in the entire state, because and म्हाका दिसता you need to provide them some spare transformers also, specifically in these prime industrial areas. Frequent power cuts, especially in the monsoon season. हे म्हाका दिसता you have to see that this basically they get uninterrupted power. And that's because of the department पडे they take pride. They take pride in the transmission and distribution losses pattunge hai. Normally, 7.5% mo tunge ha mo y'all say, is what y'all say. Although it is approved 10% ha by jug. Ye to improve core of figure. Ye 2% aje bhi add with your underground cabling and all these networks, because I feel that 7.5% for a small state like Goa is too high when 10% is the cap by JERC. I think you need to look and address these leakages. Try next time, we will check the percentage. Percentage because दुसरे वाढता असता. पण ये होई ना होई म्हाका दिसता हे उण जावपा जाय. हे उण जाल्यार लोकांक हे help जातले. Speaker sir, जे scheme ह्यो आहाय with distribution of LED fixtures. होई नाही ही LED fixtureची जी scheme आहा Speaker sir, ही LED fixture सगळे मतदारसंघान सगळे आमदारांक म्हाका दिसता हुई ना हुई where the pole light is not there, you all have to evenly distribute एक सायडीन तूं जाताय. आय डोंट नो, यू हॅड परचेस सो मेनी, आनी ते स्टोरा जरी तर सांगलें ते म्हणटा ते रिपेरा दिल्या येयल्ले नाही म्हणून. So some accountability, PWD has given 40 crores, some accountability with actually going to the place and say that ye umke light nahi, street light nahi. Sogle mai amdarank phone matai, this is the job of a panchayat level or the councillor, but today it is sorry that people call us and the people itself after paying such heavy prices are kept in the dark. Bunch cabling acher inga board zali odlo scam. And तुवें म्हाका केसो इन्क्वायरी कोतो म्हणून सांगलोलें आनी म्हाका दिसता तुवें संकल्प बाब रावला, म्हाका खबर ना संकल्प बाब रावला तो दुसरो आहा तो MGB वयता म्हणून आयको येता म्हाका तेंय कोणा तेजेरूय तुवें मातशें तो न रे दुसरो तो तें मातशें तूं चोय सारकें कितें फ्रॉड आहा 150 crores 160 कित्याक तूं हो आहा मातशें तें कोर. बिकॉज I believe that lineman today the lineman je pade hai aaj, ye lineman pade hai electricity department Aprilant eklo melo Bicholicha gawant and altogether 5 have died due to electrocution last year. And your government is only making lip service, nothing apart from just nominal compensation. This needs to be improvised. And ये जे high tension power line है, I believe that you have to repair, ये सारके repairing कोता सांग safety आसपाक जाय. एंका जे पोल तुगे है, as per the Supreme Court, Vijay honorable member pointed it out. As per the Supreme Court guideline, you cannot put those boards on an electric pole. That is illegal. That is not possible at all. And aesthetically also it doesn't look right, but you are not legally not allowed because it as an hindrance तांकां ते आडकोड जाता. हें तुवें म्हाका दिसता सगळे हे पड होर्डिंग आयले, हे होर्डिंग तुवें बंद करचें आनी काडचें सगळे ऑफ युअर इलेक्ट्रीक पोल. हें मागीर तुवें हांगा उतर दिवचें. देयर इज अ सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट अबाउट दॅट. स्पीकर सर, हय ते इलेक्शनां चड दिसताय. स्पीकर सर, जे जेई आहाय आज म्हाका दिसता द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ जेईज जे असिस्टंट इंजिनियर आहाय ते तुगेले आर स्टील वर्किंग एज जेईज in most of these places, holding charges, and they are not able to do justice to AE and JE. And some officers are good, but some are arrogant. जे जितान सांगिल्लें ते राती थिंग फोन बीन मारल्यार फक्त गाडयो आनी कांय ना, मातशें घेताय टुक्को रातीचें. तें म्हाका दिसता तुवें मातशें तें सारकें वोसोन कोणा धाडून थिंगा कोण हे ऑफिसर कोण हे लायट डिपार्टमेंट यू हॅव टू नोटिफाय. लोकां मद ना जाल्यार जायत कोफुसांव जाताय. It's a normal practice. Because जे application जाता, it is an old subject, but application should go in online mode. जायते agent पडे हाय, contractor जे apply कोते, and they are charged. सारके जे agent है, you need to basically get them off. Online mode core, make it digital so that corruption here gets over. Because आज हांव एक तुका मागोता की हांवें सांगिल्ले ते भाशेन जानेवारी 2024 पासून जे तुवें अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग केलां अजून तेज रिइन्स्टेटमेंट जालना. इफ यू सी वन ऑफ द रिजन्स वाय also flooding has happened or why water is accumulated in several roads is because these contractors have dumped everything in the drains. They have not even opened it, several places. And everyone is quiet, no punishment, they are think they pond gelna. And most of them are outside. You please hold them accountable, call them. Speaker sir, here coordination I believe with PWD, electricity and WRD of all the constituencies. तुवें काम केलां, आमच्या मतदारसंघानूय केलां, हांवें तुका देव बरो कर म्हणलां. But make sure that this people should not suffer. Speaker sir, ते linemen helmet, shoes, raincoat and equipment दी. पहिले 200 रुपया helmet दिताले हांवें केलां, तुवें 1000 दिला. हें तुका हें बट ते equipment बरें दी. इतली आनी 2-3 वर्सां 27 जालें तें मुखारच या. पूण सद्या तरी तें इक्विपमेंट मातशें हांव मागोत तुगडें सारकें मातशें दी. स्पीकर सर, जे रेस्क्यू टीम आहाय विथ रिगार्ड्स टू द पावर सप्लाय, दे नीड टू बेसिकली जे पावर ब्रेकडावन जाता सावंड्डे, सांगे, काणकोण, निलेश बाब आहा आनी आमी सदांच ती एक गार्ड तेगे आहली, ही यूज टू गिव इट प्रायवेटली एंड इट इज टू हेल्प, इट इज टू कम इवन टिल कुंकोलीम. टुडे वी स्टील यूज इट. Sometimes we have to call and we use it. But Speaker sir, based on him, today I am asking the Honorable Minister, and I believe he had moved calling attention. He said that you promised him every constituency to e guard dito mo. you said every constituency next 15 days ही गाडी crane mounted to दिता मुसो ही सुविधा म्हाका दिसता जावपाक जाय. JEE जी salary आहा, ही salary has to be updated at least as a PSI level. कित्याक पंचायत secretary पासून level 6 salary आहा. आज हे JEE salary हुई ना हुई उण जाता हें चोय सारकें मागीर काम कोतले. Speaker sir, 33 kV substations हे पडे हाय, you are working it to make it underground. तुगेले डिपार्टमेंटाक हांव शाबासकी दिता कित्याक 24/7 ते काम कोताय. It is other departments don't work 24/7, but your department has to work, especially during cyclones, pandemic, कितें जावं natural disaster, they are working. So I congratulate them for them. पूण ते फोन पड काटाय तेंक मातशें बारीकशें सांग बरे भाशेन तेमी लोकांक उलोवपा जाय. स्पीकर सर, alcohol checks normal गोंयकार सगळे टुक्को इले माताय, बट म्हाका दिसता चड जे पड माताय तेंक मातशें तूं आपोय नाड.
तो कुट्ट म्हणटा, तो टुक्क म्हणटा.
टूक हय
कुट्ट म्हणटा.
टुक्को माताय ते हांव माना तुंय माना हांवें केन्ना मारना. स्पीकर सर, बट हें हय तुंय माना.
नाही
स्पीकर
एकटो कुट्ट म्हणटा, एकटो टुक्क म्हणटा.
हय तो सारको आमीक मर तुगेलो. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता हुंय ना हुंय the lives, a lot of lives are getting disturbed. Maybe the chief could call them and some counseling and something and identify this stuff. Because जे म्हाका दिसता legal cell तुगेले एक आसपाक जाय. To a lot of people also consumer जे attack कोता for verbally and physically the staff also. So you should have a legal cell. Forest department झाड कापपाक ते सदां forest department म्हणटा permission ना. It's a common thing. Then they have to go to collector. Pruning of normal trees. Basically, when the monsoon starts, this problem starts. And you can eradicate this if you identify dangerous trees, take permissions from the forest department. Your department cannot cut trees. So make sure there is some nodal agency, some mechanism so that the common people do not suffer. Speaker sir, Tanmara ची येता कित्याक when you were in the opposition to Gay statement, Herald, you were also opposing it. No, I brought the paper. I will show you. No. Speaker sir, I would just want you to listen and understand.
Because sir, let me very clear. I said I am opposing the original alignment. आणि original alignment शिवाय दुसरी alignment जी सुपाच्या नायल्या ती घे म्हणून आणि Supreme Court agreed on it.
Speaker sir, हांव तुका एक example सांगता हेजे तुवें म्हाका सांगचें. 400 kV for to get double circuit आहा. This comes from Kolhapur to Kolwale, एक line. दुसरी तुगेली 220 kV ची पड line आहा. It comes from Tilari Mahalakshmi to Amona. दुसरी. तिसरी आंबेवाडी to Sheldon, 220 kV. चौथी जे you normally don't use from Ambewadi to Ponda. This is the spare one. आणि एक 110 kV line that is defunct. It's because we have a setup of one defunct line and one which is not used. I believe this can be harnessed and if required, rather than pulling another line in Tanmar. It's because existing lines can get over 2,000 megawatts of power to Goa. And it's because if you strengthen your line additionally, you can get it up to 2,400. So, three times with the existing setup you can work. Because म्हाका दिसता सकाळी we spoke about in detail about what happened in Wayanad. आणि हे जेन्ना ecology आणि sensitive area इतली झाड तुम्ही कापपा सोदता, this is a very, very serious issue. This is something, if you all can strengthen, I believe that you should look into it. Goa does not need Tanmar transmission, according to me, because to meet its power requirement. I repeat that Goa does not need Tanmar. 2,400 megawatt pasun, if you upgrade the line, you can do it. Because म्हाका दिसता की 38th and 39th meeting जी जाली 2015 त्या टायमाक maybe you were PWD minister. There were 8 alternatives proposed. And when 8 alternatives were proposed, the power grid or the government of India undertaking had suggested an alternate route. We should relook at these alternatives because Karnataka government itself has rejected Goa Tanmar power project. This is another warning for us. And हे warning म्हाका दिसता we need to have a look. We cannot afford to be stubborn. Western Ghats पड हे आज पड आम उलयले. This is one of the most oldest ecosystem, much older than the Himalayan mountains as well. आनीक जे दोतोर गाडगील आज हांव तेगेलो इंटरव्यू चोयतालो NDTVचे, is very clear about Goa. Rajdeep Sardesai asked him about Goa. He said very clearly that basically a fragile fragmentation of forest, and this will cause irreversible damage for generations to come. Recommendations of Supreme Court as well have told you to appoint CEC. So I believe that you can do without pulling those lines. Because LAQ 157 mugera halne about 15 July 2024. And I had asked about the government that you have basically failed to maintain power distribution and transmission, to maintain. Kidak Uttar Jena dila 5 years you are saying that the power losses and distribution and reduce Kurpak, you spent 1,854 crores. Last time in the session you said that post liberation you are the first minister to revamp the AM. But 1,854 crores for what it was used. If you are the first, we can see that it is happening. But where was this used? Apna hobana mana tugelo answer LAQ 157. Speaker sir, Magadista, still there are power failures, still there are power disruptions, still continue. Speaker sir, death due to electrocution. On 18 July, I had asked you a reply and you said that 55 government servants have died on duty from 2019 till date. This is a big number. Anik 31 animals died due to electrocution. Ata I ek specific tuko maglo lete tum byrodo ite. Specific kit maglo tuko hai. Whether give year-wise details of fatal accidents, human loss, major accidents causing serious injuries to staff of electricity department, citizens due to electrocution, cable, underground, short circuit. Ye column byrodo data dilna. This shows that the power department is hiding something and you all don't want to reveal the numbers. There is no use otherwise. You all have thrown out this. I was just checking the data. Because I believe manpower together basically LAQ 144 and Annexure 4, 179 vacancies are pending. When will you fill this? Amche constituency तुका एक फायल येयल्या की to shift the office to the new municipal building, ती pending आहा. Underground cabling आमगेले तुवें गेले ते वर्साकूच मू सांगलोलें. चांदोरच्या नांबावलीम तेंय pending आहा. स्पीकर सर, आतां हांव मागोतां की बेसिकली आय फील जेन्ना इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचे हेजे उलयतना की सगळे मतदारसंघान अंडरग्रावंड केबलिंग जाता, पूण ते फंड पुरोवपाचे आनी कितें रस्ते सारकी बिकट परिस्थिती आहा. आय थिंक चीफ मिनिस्टर एंड यू शूड सिट टुगेदर and give us a estimate zalay kitleo reinstatementacho. But if that is not put in place, hui na hui ami your idea.
Shandor to kide?
Shandor and Girdolim underground cabling. Anik Ambaulim. Speaker sir, speaking on non-conventional energy, I believe this is something most of our colleagues have spoken about it. I will not speak in detail. But je tugeli ek scheme ha for irrigation purpose to solar pump dita. Power plant for SC/ST households, free solar lights for all SC/ST inhabited for public use. As AMC you korpak jay provision na, but if in case you go for it, you have to make sure that annual maintenance contract is done of all these things. Speaker sir, yes, solar pump, solar roof, as maintenance zoritor jayna, this is the biggest part of what you need to look in. Speaker sir, आज जे प्रधानमंत्रीन एक घोषणा केल्ली ती घोषणाक तुमी गोवा was given a target of 358 megawatts by 2022 to achieve the national cumulative target of the country's 175 gigawatts commitment to the world. So Goa's commitment was 358. 158 Allah, but 175 gigawatts was of the country. And that Goa could have achieved this because, but you have achieved only 61 megawatts as of July. Anik, Speaker sir, 1,388 number of solar installations and the capacity of 61.5 megawatts. But हुई ना हुई जे cumulative जे generation together is 156 MU. I had just asked about जे तुम्ही सांगताय सगळे building जावपाक जाय. हे solar हे जावपाक जाय. हिंगाय जावपाक जाय. हे assembly complex. Speaker sir, आज I had asked that the number of governments where solar top panels have been installed to generate solar power from 2020 till date. Your answer is only 22 buildings. Ata, why is this progress so slow? What is the reason? Or are you say tu mache bira ezalo akita aaj sadya sagle kosodopa hai. Sogli building ate rooftop tuge solaran gaile ani kosodo तेही सांग. Safe नाही का मो structural audit केलना तेच लागून तू हे घालून सोदना कित्याक घालून सोदना हे तू हांग सांगचें because earlier year you said 43 buildings were there. This year you have said 22. आमची गोल्ड बिल्डिंगे गायलो हा ते सांगलो तुका थिंग गोयरांव जाल मो तेसो आहा एक वर्स जालें हांवें गेले ते वर्सा सांगलो तुका तोच गोयरांव कनेक्ट केलना म्हाका दिसता हुंय ना हुंय तुमी हेजेर लक्ष घालपाक जाय स्पीकर सर EV infrastructure, JMI, I had put an LAQ that you all are promoting electric vehicles and infrastructure. But तुम्ही सांगला 38 stations, 38 charging stations आहे म्हणून. This is the same answer you all gave last time. So not a single has been increased. Because how will people get motivated to buy an EV vehicle due to lack infrastructure? In a local electric vehicle किती आटले? Because sir, तुम reply दिला 30 new location तुम घालपा सोदता म्हूण. So when will the work commence? हें तुमी आमकां सांगपाक जाय. आनी कितले application are received? How many are cleared? I believe it is hardly 10%, 7.8% of the application. Will you clear it? Is there any budgetary provision made for you to clear it? तुमी आमकां सांगचें. Solar city of Penjimu तूं हें तूं पड करूं सोदिता. Solar city. Speaker sir, जी solar city of Panji has been identified as a solar city by Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, MNRE. And you are saying you are preparing a master plan. Sorry to say, but Panji today is a flooding city. It is solar city and zatli mo kainch guarant na. Ye tu kenne zatli hai solar city. Ye tu yang sangche. Because sir, Minister jo ha senior round soitega. कितें बोर काम करता आसता तो बरें को चित्ता म्हाका दिसता कितें नो कितें ना कितें मेळ्ळी हां देखून तो करूं सोदना ओ कित्याक कोना तें सांगचें ती बिल्डींग बी पडटली काय म्हूण तुवें सांगचें बिकॉज सर solar potential of Penjim city is 20.73 megawatts as per what is the answer given to us. But हुई ना हुई with just 22 buildings that put together, only 3 in Penjim, that is Postal Department Pato, GEDA and Government Polytechnic. I do not understand what is the feasibility of this report, whether it is feasible or no, or is this just another Ladu Ankani Ladu Dillo Kamo. Speaker sir, last, tujhe a question to me, sir, this to next section about green cess.
What I
No,
can do?
Speaker sir, ye I LAQ gaile 29 July 2024. And as per notification of 24th May 2013, there is a notification. At that time, you were PWD minister. Government was supposed to appoint a nodal person as per that notification or competent authority under the Green Cess Act for performing various duties regarding collection of green cess. Do you have a nodal person till today? Have you appointed? Tu customer sangta pade, that customer data medpa jamu. Do you have a data speaker sir? If not, why was it not done for 11 years? Ikra orsa jali, no nodal officer speaker sir has been appointed. I charge that the government has not even assessed the quantum of substance and products that are coming in under this act. Muko, I was looking at the gazette. You all have not acted. Who is responsible for this? Speaker sir, High Court patu subjudice monaka. I think orderu genela kich. High Court has removed all restrictions of the green cess. I'll give it to you. Because I want to know what is the current outstanding amount which is pending as on date and when will this amount be recovered? When will this amount be recovered? You are talking about renewable project, I believe renewable energy to me, Nylon 66 or several other lands, you can put a 250 megawatt power thing there for the state. Today we are depending on the grid supply and the voltage is not as powerful as it is required. तूं म्हाका दिसता हें तूं कोर तुगे I believe this is a very, very important thing. तूं म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर सर मुखेल मंत्री हिंग येयला हांवें सांगलें सुरवातेक तो पावर मिनिस्टर पावरफूल म्हूण तुगेलो पावरा रावपाक आनी खूंय आसपाक आज शिमेर आहा सद्या बट सारको इज अ टॅलंटेड फेलो एंड आय गिव हिम क्रेडीट फॉर दॅट हाल म्हाका दिसता तुवें बारीक लक्ष घालपाक म्हणजे पावरा आसपाक आनी पावरा भायर सरपाक केन्ना भायर सरपाक तेंय कळटा तेका सो इट इज एन आर्ट सो म्हाका दिसता हेजेर हांव बंद कोता स्पीकर मागता मंत्रीन हे आन्सर आमकां दिवचें थँक्यू स्पीकर